So as a piece of advice to you and to myself and to my children, so when a situation arises where you are greeted with Merry Christmas or Happy New Year, then your response is simple: good day. And then say, as for Christmas, then it is not my religious festival because I'm a Muslim. And if they say, what are you talking about? Then tell them that in my religion, we don't celebrate Christmas, nor do we practice it, nor do we believe in its roots. That's my religion. That's my faith. And this festival of yours is invented. It has no basis in religion. It's just an excuse to get drunk and fornicate and dance and waste money. That's what it is. If you want to they say, no, it's an excuse to get together with our mom. You say, you can get together with your mom every day of the year. Just one day you want to get together with your mother? Every day you can visit her, which is what you should be doing anyway. So at this time of year, my brothers and sisters, keep some of those leaflets in your pocket or in your bag or in your car. So when that situation arises, say, this is my position. This is what we as Muslims, that we believe. But we do not compromise. Barakallahu feekum. Jazakumullahu khair. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wa sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.